Hey friends, in this video, we want to highlight why you should take your kids to Tromso. We love Tromso because of its educational value for the kids, mixed with lots of things to do for a relatively smallish city. And at this time, it is my 9-year-old's still best vacation ever, even though we only spent 3 days in Tromso. Number one is seeing the northern lights. Tromsø is one of the best places in the world to see the northern lights. Tromsø lies about 200 miles north of the Arctic Circle, so its geographic position is perfect for this natural phenomenon. Tromsø is also one of the easiest places for the kids to see the northern lights because they have so many tours that already think about families. You can look at our video about northern yachting and taking a catamaran tour to see the northern lights, which was about a 3 to 4 hour excursion. When you have younger kids, this is a big deal. The other thing to consider is how easy it is to get to that place with children. Now, Tromsø is pretty easily accessible via either the plane through Oslo or other European cities, or you can actually take a cruise ship there because it is on the harbor. The other thing that's a plus is that it's not crazy cold. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is cold in winter, but there is a Norwegian current that brings in some warmth, even though it's above the Arctic Circle. And the third thing is that you don't have to go there in winter if you want to see the northern lights with kids. We went at the end of September and were able to see the lights by 9 p.m. that night. And it's not crazy cold. It was about 40 degrees throughout our time there. And you can really see the lights from probably mid-September to beginning of April. Number two is how compact Tromsø is. It is small, it is walkable, but there are so many things around the city center. We stayed at the Scandic Ishavs Hotel, which was right on the harbor, and that was convenient because if you're taking water-based tours, the harbor is right there next to the hotel. But if you are taking bus tours, the station was right outside of our hotel. Within 10-minute walking distance from our hotel were the Troll Museum, the Polaria Museum, which is the aquarium, and the Polar Museum. There was also a pretty big city playground for the kids, along with cafes and pretty interesting, unique restaurants and supermarkets. So a great city to walk around, very safe, very scenic. There was a library, there were places of worship, there was a Catholic cathedral right in the middle of city center, and the whole place felt very historic and very beautiful and scenic to just taking a walk and taking in the scenery. Number three is nature. Tromsø is beautiful. Part of it is on an island, the other part is on the mainland, and you can really see the beauty of Tromsø when you take the gondola up on the mountain and you have beautiful views. You can even see the northern lights, and then you can hike back down if you want to. The other thing is the fjords surrounding Tromsø. They are beautiful, peaceful, there are no waves, and so if you are worried about seasickness for your children, you don't have to be because the catamaran doesn't really move all that much. And you can also see some wildlife, some animals, birds, and when in season, there are tours for whale watching. Number four are cozy indoor spaces. Tromsø is rainy, it's windy, it's wet, and it is cold because, it is about the Arctic Circle. But it also has a lot of indoor spaces that are equally fun. Just in the city center alone, there is Troll Museum, the Polaria Aquarium, and the Polar Museum, which was very educational and fun for the kids. There's also botanical garden that is open seasonally, but it is free of charge. And Arctic Cathedral, which is a work of art, and it is just across the bridge from the main part of Tromsø. We also really like the Science Center of Northern Norway, but you do have to take Uber to get there. The museum was amazing. It had the best show about the Northern Lights, and it was kind of like a police touch museum where kids learn through hands-on exhibits. And finally, number five is the educational value of Tromso for such a short trip. I mean, they really get to see the northern lights. We get to speak about the physics and the energy of why northern lights happen while they are seeing it in person. They also got to see the amazing movie about it at the Science Center of Northern Norway. Then the fjords of why they happen. How come there is no waves? Then the early polar explorers, like what happened when they visited this Arctic area? How did they survive? They really hunted for whales and seals in order to survive the harsh conditions. We got to learn about trolls, the mythical folklore creatures that live in the forest of Norway. They are various sizes and they do different things. We also got to talk about Sami people, who are the original people living in that area. However, we did not get to see them because they were not in season. And so Tromsø provided us with multiple lectures in history of the Arctic explorers, the culture of the Sami people, the nature such as the fjords, and the talking about physics and space with the northern lights. What else can mom ask for? Tromso is definitely a place that's worth a visit, especially if you're looking to see the northern lights with your kids. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I hope you found this video helpful.